Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I want to give you a tour of 789 Stone Canyon Drive. This is an absolutely gorgeous home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Kitchen's been updated with new cabinets, granite countertops. Both of the bathrooms have been updated as well. Huge lot. It's a 1/4 acre lot, backs up to government land, does have 16 solar panels as well. Let's go in and take a look. The home has an open floor concept. You have this nice great room here, beautiful tile with tile baseboards, fireplace. You have great windows out to the south and looking out to the open land. Updated kitchen, does have granite countertops, naughty alder cabinets, and there's a nice sized dining area in the front of the home. The home has a nice size owner suite, does have a ceiling fan. You have some views out to the south. The owner suite bathroom is double sink, granite countertops, new cabinets, large walk-in closet, and a beautiful walk-in shower. Has a split floor plan. Both guest bedrooms are nice size. One of the guest bedrooms is tiled, the other has carpet. Nice guest bathroom with tub shower combo, granite countertops, and new cabinets. One of the great selling points of this house is this incredible yard. The home sits on a 1/4 acre lot, so you have this huge backyard, plenty of room for a pool, faces to the south, and you have incredible views of a mountain and just the beautiful desert. It is government land behind the property, so you have no back neighbors. Huge patio area with a natural gas grill. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 789 Stone Canyon Drive. Again, an incredible property, fantastic location, close to the hospitals and shopping, sits on a 1/4 acre lot, nice sized backyard, backs up to government land, great views. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, has 16 solar panels. The air conditioner and heater were replaced. The water heater's been replaced. Just an incredible home. Does have a water softener. Again, it's 1842 square feet. So give me a call, Ron Bruder, at 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleandlascruces.com. Thanks. Have a great day.